Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find 3-minute time frame on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in. And now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the time duration. So this is actually a time frame where you can see 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute and so on. And when you click on this down arrow you can see more options as well. And if you want to access 1 second to 30 seconds you need to buy a premium. So basically this is how you can find 3-minute time frame on TradingView. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.